Hi, welcome. This is Kurt Bates from Mercedes-Benz of Manchester to show you our 2015 Ram ProMaster diesel. Very rare for the ProMaster. This is also manual driven. You can see it's the Ram 2500. This is a 159 high roof wheelbase. Gross vehicle weight, as I indicated, this is a diesel. This does have Ranger shelving, which is very nice. As I indicated, just to show you for sure. Just over almost 12 feet. You have a trailer hitch adapter along with the backup camera. Indicated. So you have to put your foot on the brake. So this is a manual shift without the clutch. So you do have drive. You can drive this as a manual. You can put it in drive and then up to reverse. So you can see we have the backup camera that initiates as soon as we put it into reverse. Very, very simple for your radio, for all your controls. You do have Bluetooth ability as well, hands-free. Thank you for watching the video on the 2015 Ram ProMaster diesel. You can see we have it listed for $19,992. Please feel free to call Kurt Bates at 603-792-2427, or I can be emailed at kbates, and that's KBAITZ, at driveprime.com. Thank you for watching this video from Mercedes-Benz of Manchester.